Hi, I'm Paul Schumacher, founder of Schumacher Homes. Since 1992, we've had a different approach to custom home building on your lot. We're the ones who build our design studios right on the highway so you can come see them 6 days a week and explore all the design materials that go into every one of our homes firsthand. This is a one-stop shop experience so you can see all the latest trends, styles, materials, and options you can select when customizing your home. Come take a look for yourself. We are in Troy, located off of I-75. We build in the greater Dayton area and in surrounding western Ohio counties. You can tour our state-of-the-art design studio that has all the latest for a one-stop shopping experience for your custom home. Here you'll be able to compare sizes and prices while exploring a variety of materials curated by top designers. From flooring and cabinetry to tile and countertops, our design studio has all the materials for you to customize your home with the most popular trends and designs. You will also be able to talk to our team of experts to explore our library of floor plans that you can choose from, and we are confident you will find the perfect plan that fits your lifestyle and budget. Go to schumacherhomes.com to see all of our plans. We also offer a free online or in-person home plan consultation meeting with one of our plan specialists to help you narrow down your search. Your family, your style, and your budget are all part of the design process. We provide the most comprehensive, detailed quoting system in the industry, spelling out exactly where every dollar is allocated. No hidden costs or unwelcome surprises. Homeowners often tell us that sitting down for a price quote was the best time spent during their home building journey. We'll answer questions that you never even thought to ask. Don't just take my word for it. Stop in and see for yourself today.